Welcome to your Invites Dashboard video walkthrough for IMHX 2022. Today I'll be walking you through your dashboard and sharing some best practices for you to implement when sharing your custom marketing collateral. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out directly to us at clientservices@feathr.co and we'd be happy to help you. Let's begin. The first thing you'll want to do when you access your dashboard is go to the Edit My Information tile. This is where you can see all the information we have for you. Most of this information is used to populate your custom marketing collateral, so feel free to update anything you'd like. Click Update at the bottom right once you're done. A couple of notes here. We recommend that you keep your logo or headshot no larger than 250 pixels width and height, and it could take up to 30 minutes for your updated information to show up live on your collateral. Moving on. The first piece of marketing collateral you have available to you is the landing page. This is essentially a mini website that's customized for the event and for you. Your page link is also unique to you. You can see what your full page looks like by clicking on the page preview button here in the center, or by clicking on copy to clipboard and then pasting that unique link into your browser. We also recommend that you place this unique link into your email signature as well. Your second option is to use the share button, which will allow you to share directly to your social media via Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Now the second piece of marketing collateral you have available to you is the email invite. If you would like to preview your invite, you can click this drop down arrow here, select Preview Invite. If you'd like to share your invite, you can select Send Invite, and then you can either send to a single email or a list that you can upload. The list that you upload is private to you, so Feathr and IMHX will not have access to your leads or customers. Your second option for sending your email invite is to send through your own email platform, such as MailChimp or Constant Contact. To do this, you can click the drop-down arrow here, select Export Invite, and you can then import that file into your email platform and send your emails to your network. Now the final piece of marketing collateral you have available is the banners. These are meant to be placed on your website, social media page, or email signature. There are two options for sharing these banners. You can select Copy Embed Code, and then paste that HTML code on the back end of your website or your email signature if your email provider allows you to place HTML there. That code should render the image you see here, and when clicked, will redirect people to the event website to register. The second option for sharing your banners is to simply select the Download As button. I would always recommend then selecting PNG, and in the New tab, you can right-click on the banner you'd like to share and save it as an image. You can then upload that image wherever you'd like to share it. Though a couple of things about this. Because you would be sharing a still image, it loses its ability to be clicked and redirect people to the event website. For that reason, we recommend that you share your unique landing page link along with your still banner image, so that people have somewhere to click to see more information about the event and about you when they see your banner. Well, if you have any other questions, please reach out to us at clientservices@feathr.co. Other than that, I hope this was helpful and you have a wonderful rest of your day.